Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a former school governor, I'm a trade unionist and I'm a working woman. And I'm under no illusion that the next few weeks are going to be tough. This is going to be a general election unlike any other. The people of Wales are angry. They're angry at the damage being done to their communities by the Tory cuts. They're angry at being ignored by the Tories in Westminster. And they're angry at being ignored by a UK Tory government that just doesn't care about the people of Wales. But now we've got a chance to change things, because here in Wales, Welsh Labour has shown exactly what difference can be made when in government. And under Cowan Jones' leadership, Welsh Labour is united. At this general election, Welsh Labour is offering 5 bold pledges to the people of Wales. A Wales where everyone can earn a decent wage.
We promise to protect living standards and create better jobs closer to home. A Labour government in Westminster will introduce a real living wage of £10 per hour and invest in infrastructure, skills and new technology.
A Wales where everyone has access to top-class healthcare, always free at the point of use.
We know that with a Labour government in Westminster, there'll be more resources for Wales and more stability in NHS and social care. With Labour in Westminster, we can work together across borders to give the NHS a bright future. Unlike the Tories, who tell fibs about healthcare in Wales, smearing the hard-working staff and dragging politics into the gutter.
A vision where every child achieves their potential and has the best start in life.
We'll give all children the opportunity to achieve. We're committed to protecting free school breakfasts, and we're going to invest an additional £100 million to further improve school standards in Wales over this Assembly term. And that builds on our record. Because GCSE results have never been higher in Wales. More children than ever are getting a passport to success. We've cut the attainment gap for the poorest pupils at every key stage. There will be no grammar schools or free schools in Wales. We want every school to be a great school and a fair deal for all our children, with none left behind.
A Wales where our streets are safer.
We know that community safety is one of the country's top priorities. And so a Labour government would deliver 853 new police officers in our communities in Wales. A Labour government will also give stronger rights to victims, again, building on the innovative work we're doing here on crime prevention and tackling domestic violence.
Good jobs, good schools, good hospitals and good homes.
We're going to provide more affordable homes to rent and buy. We've committed to deliver 20,000 more affordable homes. And we're putting roofs over people's heads in communities across Wales. And these are the pledges we'll be taking to the doorstep in the coming days. These are the things people care about.
We've got to send the strongest possible group of Welsh Labour MPs to Westminster on June the 8th. And the only anti-Tory vote in this election is a vote for Welsh Labour. It's down to us to stop the Tories walking all over Wales. And I know there's Welsh Labour, led by Cowan Jones, that's standing up for communities like mine and yours. I'm proud of my community, I'm proud of my country, and I'm proud of Welsh Labour's record. That's why, on June the 8th, I'm voting Welsh Labour.
So to everyone in Wales who believes in a fair deal, Welsh Labour is united to halt the Tories in their tracks, to put fairness and decency back into government in Westminster. With your support, we can fulfil that promise, and we will stand up for Wales.